Now, this next topic that I wanted to talk about is finding something that's going to inspire you and being able to learn from something that is really going to motivate you to get better and to grow. You see, learning is all about growing and having that kind of mindset that we talked about, the growth mindset. And you don't want to be going backwards. You want to be consistently growing. And a great way to grow is to find something that inspires you. Find your inspiration. And you can find inspiration anywhere. Simply traveling is a great way to find inspiration. There is inspiration everywhere. It could be a piece of artwork. It could be a piece of music. It could be a sport. You could turn the TV on and be inspired by somebody. You can turn the internet on and be inspired by a motivational speaker. Whatever it may be, find your inspiration, because what that's going to do is it's going to motivate you to learn. I am so inspired to teach online, and I hope that you can feel that from me into this video, because I absolutely love doing this. It's so much fun. I mean, my gosh, I'm so blessed to be able to do this with you, and it is awesome experience, and also I can feel the sun on my back right now. It's just an amazing day. It's an amazing experience, and that's what I want for you. I hope that this video inspires you, that you can travel, that you can find something that you love to do, that you can come and speak to somebody, that you can become an amazing learner. So I hope that this lecture has really inspired you and has also inspired you to find your inspiration. Find something that is really going to motivate you, because without motivation, without being inspired by something, it's going to be very difficult to learn something. I look at the students in my classroom. If there's a subject that they really don't want to learn about, or they really aren't interested, or they aren't inspired, well, they're just not going to learn it very well. So it's my job as the teacher to bring out the inspiration so that a student can look at a worksheet and go, well, it's not just a worksheet. This is something that happened in 1812, and wow, what an amazing experience it was. And our teacher is really passionate about that, and I can just hear it from his voice, and wow, I didn't know that before. Like, that's inspiring. Like, that person was able to do that for that culture or in that time, and be able to do this thing and was able to create this. That's the inspiration that you want to have. And being a learner means being inspired by something. So thank you so much for spending time with me here today. I hope that I've inspired you to take action and find your inspiration in this course, and I hope that you're able to continue the learning process at a nice gradual upward level, and I look forward to teaching you more in our next lectures.